Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Paige, and today's video is a Kylie Jenner review. I picked up blush, bronzer, the gel eyeliner, a lip kit, and gloss. I tried to get as much as I could with the amount of broke that I am. So hopefully this is everything that you wanted in a review video, and let's just jump into it, shall we? So first thing I'm going to use is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Primer. Cute. I like the packaging. It smells good. Doesn't smell bad. It smells good. But if you're sensitive to fragrance, just know that it smells. It has fragrance. Then Makeup Forever Ultra HD in Y225. I really like this foundation. It just blends effortlessly into the skin. Next, a little bit of concealer, Dose of Colors, Meet Your Hue, and this is in shade Light 08. I think that's my favorite concealer so far. And I don't have the Kylie concealer. I wish I had picked that up, kind of dropped the ball on that one. But next time. Or hey Kylie, if you want to send it my way, my address is. Alright, so next I'm going to take this Brightening Light Banana powder, under eye powder from Jaclyn Hill. Going to take some of that, and I'm actually going to use the brush that I did my foundation with and set my under eye. I'm kind of impressed with that, actually. Didn't really know what I was expecting, but I like it. I do. For the rest of my face, I'm going to take this e.l.f. Pressed setting spray that I love so much that it's broken, I guess. And we're going to just set. That setting powder really brightened up my under eye a lot. So now that we've got the basics down, we're going to open up the pressed bronzing powder, and this is in shade 600 Almond. I only ever had lip kits from her before, and I think it was like one or two, and like a gloss. I had the Damn Gina gloss, I think it was called, and damn, I liked it. But I actually do have a packaging from the original highlighter. So this is the original, this is the bronzer. Well, this is the original highlighter, this is the new bronzer. So they're definitely different pink. Pretty much, it's very similar, just a different color pink. But I don't know what the original bronzer looked like, if it was short and square like this, or if it was something more bigger, like longer like this one. It comes with a very nice mirror on the inside with her name and the little protective paper thing. Okay. there's no fallout, which is nice. That warmed up my cheeks very nicely. And I like that it's not super pigmented. I like that it's more buildable rather than you like do one dip in and then all of a sudden you're sitting here for 3 hours trying to blend it out. I like that. It's definitely like a good shade for me as well. Okay. It does not look patchy. It blended out very nice. So here it is up close. Very nice. And the packaging is cute. It's girly. I like it. And then for the blush, the same like outer packaging, the same packaging as the bronzer. This is in shade 335 Baddie on the Block. Because if you know me, I'm not a baddie, but I wanted to feel bad, like a baddie, so I got this one. It's very pretty. Same mirror with her name on it. And let's see. This one is more kickback. And fallout. But, oh, that's such a pretty color. But it blends nicely. This one's a little bit more, I went in twice, and that's the payoff that I got from it. So going in one time is probably a good start. If you don't like a lot of blush at first, but so far so good. I'm going to take the original highlighter that I have in Ice Me Out. And you can see like the mirror is like way bigger because the whole packaging is just bigger, but there's no Kylie name on the inside. But it's very, I was done anyways. I swear today I've been such a klutz. I will pick up something and I just drop it. My hands are just like, nope, not today. Not today, I guess. So next is the Kylie Eyeliner, gel eyeliner. This is gel eyeliner pencil. I got this one in shade 05 matte green. This way. So this is what it looks like. You open it and it looks like that. I'm very excited. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. Okay. I haven't done a wing in like forever. I'm just gonna do a basic wing and kind of like smudge it out a little. Because I honestly forgot that I got something for the eyes, so I wasn't planning on doing anything for my eyes. So just stay with me. Well, it went on very, very smooth. I'm going to just kind of smoke it out a little bit. And it's very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's hope I can duplicate this side. Wish me luck. So they're pretty even. That worked really nicely. It blended out really nicely. I think they have a bunch of different shades, so I'm probably going to end up purchasing at some point. Just a quick brow comb through. This is Complex Culture Full Out Brow Gel, tinted volumizing brow gel. I don't think it has a shade. Next is the lip kit. So this is the matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. This is in One Wish. So it comes in this new packaging, because I don't think they were like, the one that I have was like a darker pink, even black possibly, but this is wicked cute. I love how it just matches everything, which is super duper cute. And it's got, I was trying to pull this off to see if it had a sharpener built in, but I don't think it comes off. So let's just start doing it. Super creamy. It glides on very nicely. And now let's try the lipstick. That's really nice and creamy as well. I like it. And then I have this gloss, the High Gloss in Damn Gina. Yeah. I think it's beautiful. So the one that I have was actually in a tube like this. It was much longer. So I don't know if all of their lip glosses are in this sort of shorter packaging now. But I mean, I love the drip on the packaging. Is very, very cute. Just a little bit. It's kind of hard to get back together for a minute. It kept like popping back up on me. But I really liked everything, honestly. Everything blended out really nicely. Even the eyeliner, the gel eyeliner, that was really nice. And I'm definitely gonna have to wear this lipstick a little bit more to see how long it wears for, like without the gloss, and then see how long the gloss lasts for without anything else. Because I remember the original Damn Gina was beautiful on its own for if you're going for something very like natural that day. That was my go-to. So I really like how everything worked together, and definitely will be trying out some other products in the future, and I'm excited to see where she goes now with her rebranding and everything. Good job, Kylie. Good job. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what review or video you want me to do next. If you liked my video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and as always, stay safe. Bye.